Yeah, hello, lovely students. How are you? I hope you all are well. Students, today we will learn chapter number 9, that is time and temperature. Class, today we are going to study about time and temperature. Let's start the chapter. Time. You already know that time is expressed either in 12-hour clock format or in 24-hour clock format or in 24-hour clock format. Now class, you may have seen some clocks with three hands. See, now the third hand is the second hand. The other being the minute and the hour hand. When the second hand goes around the clock once, 1 minute passed by, different units of time can also be converted into one another, just like the units of measurement. 1 hour is equal to 60 minute, 1 minute is equal to 60 सेकेंड. तो क्लास हम अपने टाइम को कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं, कन्वर्जन कर सकते हैं. सो कन्वर्जन ऑफ टाइम. नाउ क्लास, बिगर यूनिट टू स्मॉलर यूनिट. बिगर यूनिट को स्मॉलर यूनिट में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे, मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. बिकॉज वी नो दैट 1 hour is equal to 60 minute and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. तो आवर्स को मिनट में करेंगे, देन मिनट्स को 60 सेकेंड्स में करेंगे. नाउ अब हम स्मॉलर यूनिट को बिगर यूनिट में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए हम करेंगे डिवाइड. किससे डिवाइड करेंगे, 60 से. ओके. नाउ क्लास, कन्वर्जन फ्रॉम अ बिगर यूनिट टू स्मॉलर यूनिट. Example, Amit was at his friend's house working on a project for 4 years. How many minutes in is that? Class, उसके पास कितने minutes? So bigger unit to smaller unit multiply. 4 hours is equal to 4 into 60, that is 240 minutes. Okay. So 4 hours is equal to 240 minutes. So Amit was at his friend's house for 240 minutes. Come on, example. Priya took 1/2 minutes to eat her breakfast. How many seconds did she take to eat her breakfast? Now class, bigger unit to smaller, हम क्या करते हैं, multiply. 6 minutes is equal to 6 multiplied by 60, that is 360 seconds. Now 1/2 minutes को 30 seconds, that is 360 plus 30, 390 seconds. While at her breakfast in 390 seconds. Come on, conversion from a smaller unit to a bigger unit. Up class, Vibha was painted for 180 minutes. How many hours is that? Now class, smaller unit को bigger unit में करने के लिए हम divide करते हैं. So 180 minutes divided by 60, that is 3 hours. वो अपने 3 घंटे से अपनी पेंटिंग को कर रही थी. Now, example, Babita blew 10 balloons in 480 seconds. How many minutes is that? How many minutes is that? Now class, again हम divide करेंगे. 6 8 are 48, that is 80 minutes. 80 minutes से वो अपने balloons को blew कर रही थी. Kavita blew 10 balloons in 8 minutes. 12 noon or 12 midnight is also written as 12 o'clock. Come on, exercise 9A. Question number 1, convert the following into minutes. Class, minutes में hours means smaller unit to bigger. क्या करते हैं, multiply, that is 480 minutes. Now class, 5 hours multiply by 60, that is 300 minutes plus 20, that is 325 minutes. Understand class? Put the unit. Rest of the parts do yourself. Come on, question number 2. Convert the following into hours and minutes. Yes class, convert the following into hours and minutes. Now class, अब हमें क्या करना होगा, डिवाइड करना होगा. दैट इज 80 divided by 60. 6 1s are 60, 1s are 60. Now class, 1 hour 20 minutes. जो हमारा रिमाइंडर होता है वो क्या होते हैं, हमारे मिनट्स होते हैं. अगेन 100 minutes. 60 1s are 60. Now class, 40. 1 hour 40 minutes. Understand class? I hope you all have understood very well. Rest of the parts do yourself. Come on, question number 3. Convert the following into seconds. Class, seconds में convert करने के लिए हम multiply करते हैं. 25 6 are 150, that is 1500 seconds. 1500 seconds. नाउ अगेन हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, दैट इज 60. नाउ 5 6 are 30, so 3000 seconds. Rest of the parts do yourself. Come on, question number 4. Convert the following into minutes and seconds. Again हम क्या करेंगे, डिवाइड करेंगे. Now class 62s are 120. Now that is 2 hours. Yes class, 2 minutes 15 seconds. Okay. Now again 300 को क्या करेंगे हम, 300 को डिवाइड करेंगे, that is 50 minutes. Understand? 300 को हमने डिवाइड किया 60 से, 65 are 300. So class, there is 5 minutes. Okay. Of the parts do yourself. Now class, addition of time. Vimla took 1 hour 30 minutes to cook the food and 45 minutes to clean the kitchen. अब उसने खाना बनाया 1 hour 30 minutes में और उसने किचन साफ किया 45 minutes. Now what is the total time taken by Vimla to finish cooking and cleaning? Now class, time taken for cooking, cleaning. अब क्या करेंगे, हम उनको ऐड कर देंगे like this, that is 1 hour 75 minutes. So class, 75 minutes means 1 hour 15 minutes. So class, it is 2 hour 15 minutes. Therefore, Vamla took 2 hours 15 minutes to finish cooking and cleaning. Now class, examples 20 minutes 15 seconds plus 20 minutes 15 seconds. Class, हम उसको अरेंज करेंगे पहले कॉलम्स में, देन हम उसको ऐड कर देंगे. Because 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. That is 33 minutes 5 seconds. Come on. Solution B, that is 15 years 9 months plus 12 years 7 months. Again class, 27 years 16 months. Now class, 16 months means 1 year is equal to 12 months. So 28 years plus 4 months. Subtraction of time. Now class, again हम जैसे हमने ऐड किया था ऐसे ही हम उसको easily subtract करेंगे larger value को smaller value को larger value में से. Okay, that is 14 minutes 45 seconds. Now 14 years 10. Come on, exercise 9B, question number 1. Add the following. Now class, 6 minutes 40 seconds, 8 minutes 20 seconds. Now class, 60. Now class, 14 minutes 60 seconds. Now class, 60 seconds means 1 minute. So हम यहाँ पर 15 minutes भी. Again 4 minutes 10 seconds, 3 minutes 20 seconds. Now class, 37 minutes 30 seconds. Understand? Rest of the parts do yourself. Come on, question number 2. Subtract the following. Again class, minutes seconds. 15 minutes 35 seconds. 10 minutes 55 seconds. Now 0, 13 minus 5, 8, 4. So 4 minutes 80 seconds. 80 seconds means 80 minus 60, that is 20. So 5 minutes 20 seconds. अंडरस्टैंड क्लास, हम 80 सेकेंड को यहाँ पर ऐड कर देते हैं तो वो क्या बन जाता है, हमारा मिनट्स बन जाते हैं. नाउ 12 मिनट्स 9 minutes 25 seconds. Now put the 0, it will come 75. Now that is 2 minutes 75 seconds. Again it will 3 minutes 15 seconds. Understand? Rest of the parts do yourself. Come on, starting time and finishing time. Now class, finding the finishing time. Now class, Sumit started writing a story at 7:20 p.m. उसने एक स्टोरी को लिखना स्टार्ट किया 7:20 p.m. पे. He finished it after 2 hours 15 minutes. What was the time when he finished his story? Starting time plus time period is equal to finishing time. As time spent on an activity or event is called its duration or time period. Class, जितना भी हमने उसको टाइम में उसको कंप्लीट किया वो क्या कहलाता है, हमारा ड्यूरेशन और टाइम पीरियड. नाउ टू फाइंड द फिनिशिंग टाइम, काउंट फॉरवर्ड फ्रॉम द स्टार्टिंग टाइम. 7:20 p.m. plus 2 hours 15 minutes. Now class, break up time period to make it easier to add. 7:20 p.m. 2 hours is equal to 9:20 p.m. Now 9:20 p.m. 15 minutes, that is 9:35 p.m. So Sumit finished his story at 9:30 p.m. Now finding the starting time. हमने यहाँ पर क्या फाइंड किया था? फिनिशिंग टाइम. अब हम अपने टाइम को, स्टार्टिंग टाइम को कैलकुलेट करेंगे. दैट इज विजय इज ड्रॉइंग पिक्चर फॉर सुमित स्टोरी. इट टुक 4 hours 10 minutes to draw the pictures. If you finish drawing at 2:40 p.m., at what time did he start? Finishing time minus time period is equal to starting time. You are giving the time period and the finishing time. To find the starting time, count backwards from the finishing time. Now class 240 minus 4 hours 10 minutes back. Break up the time period to make it easier to subtract. Now class 2 hours, that is 1240. Now 1240 minus 2 hours, that is 1040. Now 1040 am minus 10 minutes, that is 10:30 am. So Vijay started drawing at 10:30 am. Class C again. अब मैंने क्या किया यहाँ पर 2:40 PM में से मैंने 2 आवर्स को क्या किया? सब्ट्रैक्ट किया. अब यहाँ पर मैंने अगेन 2 आवर्स को सब्ट्रैक्ट क्यों किया? क्योंकि यहाँ पर 2 + 2 आवर्स मैंने ऐसे इसको ब्रेक कर दिया टाइम को. अब नाउ बचे मेरे 10 मिनट्स. अब मैंने क्या किया? उनको 10 मिनट्स को अगेन उसमें से माइनस कर दिया. सो इट इज 10. इजी. Finding the number of days. Some events or activities last longer than 24 hours. Then you have to find the number of days the event or activity lasted. Now class, finding the finishing date. Example number 1. In class 5 of a school, unit test started on 11th March. Class कब start हुए थे? 11th March को start हुए थे and lasted for 5 days. On which day was last test held? Now class, to find the last day of the test, add the starting date and the total time of duration. Now class, starting date 11th March, total duration 5. So 11th March plus 4 days. So it is 15 March. 11th March को start हुए थे. Total duration 5 दिन के चलने थे, means 4 दिन और चले. That is 15 March. Thus the last test was held on 15 March. Yes class, come on example number 2. Sagar started reading a novel on 28th October and finished it on 9th November of the same year. How long did he take to read the novel? How long did he take to read the novel? Now class, solution. To find the time duration, subtract the starting time from the finishing date. Starting date 20 October, finishing date 9th October. Now class, here is 12 days, here is 9 days. Now class, add the days, that is 21 days. Sagar took 21 days to read the. Come on, finding the started date. The rehearsal of a show went on for 20 days and the last day of the rehearsal was on 22nd August. When was the rehearsal started? Now class, to find the starting date, count backward. Class, हमें starting date को लिए starting time के लिए हमें backward जाना होता है, means subtract कर सकते हैं. The total time duration of the finishing date 22nd August. Total time duration 20 days. Now 22 minus 19, that is 3rd August. Thus the rehearsal was started on 3rd August. Come on, exercise 9C, question number 1. Write the finishing time using AM or PM. Now class, yes class, 5 hours 20 minutes after 6:40 PM. Finding the finishing time. Finding the finishing time के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? Break up the time period to make it easier to add. Now class, यहाँ पर था 7:20 PM and 2 hours 15 minutes. Now class, 7:20 PM 2 hours, that is 9:20. 9:20 में हमने क्या किया था? 15 minutes. अब हमने फिनिशिंग टाइम के लिए उसमें क्या किया था? माइनस किया था. तो क्लास हम, यस, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, 6:40 PM after 5 hours 20 minutes. Now class 6 p.m. plus 5 hours, that is 11 p.m. Now class 11 p.m. में हम क्या करेंगे, अपने 40 and 20 उनको ऐड करेंगे, that is 1 hour. So 1 hour, so 11 hour plus 1 hour, that is 12 o'clock. That is 12 o'clock. Now class see the B part. 2 hours 50 minutes after 10:50 p.m. Now class 10:50, 10 minus 2 hours, 10 plus 2 hours, that is 12, that is 12 o'clock, that is 12 o'clock. Now class 12 o'clock, 50 plus 50, that is 100. Now 100 means 1 hour plus 40 minutes. So class 1 means 1 a.m. or now class 1:40 a.m. You can do like this. अब यहाँ पर 2 hours थे, after 2 hours means 10:50. अब हम आप ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं 10:50 11:50, 11:50 से क्या होगा, सेकेंड होगा 12:50. ओके, 2 hours 50 minutes. So 12:50 plus 50 minutes 0 0. Yes class, that is 1:40 p.m. ओके, हमने क्या किया है, उसमें आवर्स को ऐड किया, दैट इज 12 o'clock and 12 o'clock plus 1 hour plus 40 minutes, that is 1:40 a.m. Okay class, now rest of the parts do yourself. Come on, question number 2. Write the starting time using am or pm. Now class 7 hours 40 minutes before 11:10 am. class easily आप उसको फाइंड कर सकते हैं. 7 hours yes class, see 11:10 am minus 7 hours, that is 4:10 am. ना क्लास अब हम उसमें से 40 मिनट्स को माइनस करेंगे अगेन, तो हमारा दैट इज 3:40 am. अंडरस्टैंड क्लास? नाउ क्लास see the B part. Now 6 hours 30 minutes before 9:20 p.m. before 9:20 p.m. Now class again 9:20 minus 6 hours, 9:20 minus 6 hours, that is 3 hours 20 minutes. Now class 3 hours 20 minutes minus 30 minutes. 3 hours 20 minutes minus 30 minutes. Now class, yes class, it is 2:50 p.m. class. 6 hours 30 minutes before 9:20 p.m. So हमने क्या किया, उसमें से माइनस किया, देन हमने 30 मिनट्स को माइनस किया, दैट इज 2:50 p.m. Now class, rest of the parts do yourself. Come on, temperature, we, yes class, we have learned so far about the measurement of length, area, volume and time. To measure the length we use a scale and to measure capacity we use containers. क्लास लेंथ को यूज करने के लिए हम मेजर करने के लिए स्केल का यूज करते हैं और कैपेसिटी के लिए हम कंटेनर्स यूज करते हैं. We can use clocks to measure time. Similarly, in order to measure temperature, we use an instrument called thermometer. क्लास टेम्परेचर को मेजर करने के लिए हम थर्मोमीटर का यूज करते हैं। नाउ क्लास टेम्परेचर इज अ मेजरमेंट ऑफ हाउ हॉट और कोल्ड एन ऑब्जेक्ट इज। अब वो कितना गर्म और कितना ठंडा है ऑब्जेक्ट, ये बताने के लिए। नाउ इन अदर वर्ड्स टेम्परेचर इज द डिग्री ऑफ हॉटनेस एंड कोल्डनेस ऑफ अ बॉडी। नाउ क्लास टेम्परेचर इज डिनोटेड इन डिग्रीज, द सिंबल ऑफ दिस। नाउ thermometer is used to measure temperature. A thermometer has two scales, Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scale. Now the basic unit of measurement is degree and the standard unit is degree Celsius, also called as centigrade. The Celsius scale is marked from 0 degree to 100 degree. 0 degree is the freezing point of water and 100 degree Celsius is the boiling point of water. In the Fahrenheit scale, the freezing point of water is 32 degree Fahrenheit and the boiling is 212 degree Fahrenheit. On comparing these two scales, we get 0 degree is equal to 32 degree Fahrenheit and 100 degree Celsius is equal to 212 Fahrenheit. There, degree and Fahrenheit indicate the scale that are used. Now, conversion of Celsius scale into Fahrenheit scale. To convert our temperature from Celsius scale into Fahrenheit scale, या Celsius scale को Fahrenheit में convert करने के लिए multiply the temperature by 9/5 and then add 32 to it. Thus, Fahrenheit is equal to Celsius multiply 9/5 plus 32. Sample temperature of a hot glass of milk is 55 degrees Celsius. Convert this temperature into Fahrenheit. Now class formula था हमारा Celsius, that is 55. Now 9/5 plus 32. 5 11s are 55. Now 11 9s are 99 plus 32. 131 degree Fahrenheit. Now class conversion of Fahrenheit scale into Celsius scale. Now to convert a temperature from Fahrenheit scale into Celsius scale, first subtract 32. पहले हम क्या करेंगे, subtract करेंगे 32 and then multiply 5/9. ऑपोजिट करेंगे इनवर्स, वहां पे हम ऐड करते थे, वहां पे 9/5, यहाँ पे 5/9. Now convert 122 degree Fahrenheit into Celsius. Now class, therefore temperature on Celsius scale 122 minus 32, that is 90/90 multiply 5/9. So it is 50 degrees Celsius. Now class, come on exercise 9D. Question number 1, convert the following temperature Fahrenheit. Now class, अब हम क्या करेंगे इसमें, 35 multiply 9/5 plus 32. 5 7s are 35. 7 9s are 63 plus 32. Now class, that is 95 degree Fahrenheit. Now 45, again 45 multiply 5 9/5 plus 32. 5 9s are 45, 9 9s are 81 plus 32. Now class, that is 113 degree Fahrenheit. Now class, rest of the parts do yourself. Come on, question number 2, convert the following temperatures into Celsius. Now class, Celsius में करने के लिए हम क्या करते हैं, पहले माइनस करते हैं 32. Now 122 minus 32, that is 90 and multiply 9 5/9, that is 50 degrees Celsius. Again हम माइनस करेंगे 32 को, 140 minus 32, that is, yes, 10 minus 2 8. Now 0, 108 multiply by 5/9. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 992 multiply by 5. 5 twos are 10, 5 nines are 45 plus 1, 46 degrees Celsius. Understand? I hope you all have understood very well this chapter. Rest of the parts do yourself. Now your chapter is completed, prepared very well, and we will meet you in next class. Thank you.